Hey everybody, Mark Yagi here, and just real quick, I got this VLO juicy put position, and you can see that VLO has actually gone up, which means that we've collected most of our juice on the trade, and tomorrow morning I think VLO reports numbers, and so I'm going to need to, even though I don't really want to buy it back with this much juice in it, I need to protect the account a little bit more because the stock right now has moved to 114.07. And I've got the 110 puts. So I'm going to need to roll those and probably roll them out just to get a little more protection. Now, the implied move is about 250 tomorrow for earnings. So the stock right now is trading around 114. So if I go deeper in the money to protect myself, so VLO going out another week here. If we go to the, I think, what did I say, 112 or 113? So what we're going to need to do is look at what VLO is doing, and I've switched a couple of trading platforms here so don't get confused, but I just like the way this is laid out right now. So these are the puts, and this is for May 2nd, so this is going to go out a week, and I'm going to buy back those puts for about 70 cents worth of juice because they're now, out of the money because they're the 110s for last week, and I'm going to roll here to probably these 116s. Let's look at these 116s. First of all, I don't like this, 410 by 610. So the midpoint is about 510. And so I'm going to have to put in a limit order, which I don't like to do because I'd rather just get the execution. But look at the juice at the midpoint. It's like 327.50. So I like that. Those are the ones that I'm going to do. And I'm going to be protected for, $6 or $5, let's call it, the midpoint of that price. So listen, a lot of people ask me what I do during earnings. Earnings is there's 4 days in the year when companies report earnings. Those are the 4 days that you have control of what the stock is going to do, right? We know that it's probably going to be volatile on earnings because that's what happens to stocks. They either go up a lot or they go down a lot, but those are the days they do them. There are other days, of course, but we can't control those. We can control what we do going into earnings. So, it's 3:43, so I've got to see you later, and I'm going to go ahead and do this trade back on my other screen. But you know what I'm doing now. It's to protect the account, picking up 324 in juice, and rolling out another week. And now I've got a couple bucks worth of protection in the money. Hope that makes sense. Catch you later. Hey, it's Mark Yagi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.